getting ready to go outside for my birthday. I know I look a little much right now, like a probably clown, but I started to talk bad about myself. And I'm in front of a mirror. And I want you to know if there's one thing I've ever learned that is not any particular religion or any particular anything negative, is that you have to understand when a mirror is reflecting back at you, you are still someone saying something to you. Lately, since my father's been on the other side, I've been talking as if he is me, or even the person, things that I'd hope somebody would say to me. And today it hit. So I want you to know when you're looking at yourself in the mirror. I don't know if that puts it down too far. When you're looking at yourself in the mirror, you really are speaking to your spirit. And while I was sitting there looking at myself like this, just doing as girls do, I'm actually running a little early, so, and then my friend who's so gracious because it drives me crazy, clipping, so I got 2 crimpers. I still gotta do the others. Yeah. But anyway, I just started saying, I got this, and I went, you know what? You are a beautiful woman. You are beautiful. And it is okay that you tell yourself that because you have been through so much. I am proud of you and every one of the decisions that you have made, even when they caused you to have to learn a lesson. Because you learned it. You've learned to love yourself. And you've learned to help others learn to love themselves. You've embraced yourself so much. We're being called weird and crazy, and a demon and hatred no longer can hurt you. You are a beautiful woman. Don't worry about what it is on earth that measures wealth, because you are wealthy in divinity and you are next to me and there is nothing else. You are a beautiful woman. Don't ever let me hear you say that to yourself again, or hear it everywhere in this mind, anything but you are a beautiful woman. Those words that sneak up in that ear that tell you that you're anything less than what you are, you scream them away, because that is not true. You have fought and you have won. You have fought and you have lived. You have fought and you lead. You are a beautiful woman. Today is March 7th. I am going to Black Rock to go to dinner with a very special friend of mine. I am the one who understands how cold the darkness can feel. I am one that understands what a demon looks like when it stares you down. It's time for you to know that you are powerful. My birthday is tomorrow. I turn 44, but I'm more excited about my spiritual age. 8 years old, guys. Do you realize? 8. Everybody's so grown up when they're 8. It's how I choose to look at the world and spirituality. I realize that our children have it right when they just sit and listen to each other and enjoy how incredible things are. So tomorrow, for my 8th birthday, I just hope you know how powerful you are. I finished getting ready. I had a surgery, so I have to wear this puffy dress. But once the hair is done and everything, I just want to thank you for listening and seeing this video. Don't forget, you are a beautiful human. You are loved. You are cared for. You are cherished. You are favored. And you are protected. Above all, you are divinely prosperous. Don't forget that you were created to be loved. Nothing more, nothing less. You get to choose the rest. Happy birthday to me tomorrow!